Today I will discuss about students addition and a subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. In which case the two matrices can be added each other. Only that case if the two different matrices are same order, then two matrices can be added each other. If the two matrices in different order, we cannot add the two matrices at all. Such as a matrix Aij of n cross n order and matrix B of Bij of m cross n order. If Aij and both m cross n order of matrices are equal each other, they are in same order of matrices, and if A plus B is equal to same entry position Aij plus Bij in condition of that m cross n order. If Aij is equal to Bij, that indicates to that entry position of first elements must be added with the same entry position of the second matrices. Just this, suppose A is a matrix whose value is equal to taken as A11, A12, A21, A22 of 2 cross 2 order of matrix. Another matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22 of 2 cross 2 order of matrix. C is equal to C11, C12, C21, C22 and C31, C32 of 3 cross 2 order of matrix. Dear students, A is a matrix, is a 2 cross 2 order of matrix. B also 2 cross 2 order of matrix. Matrix C is equal to 3 cross 2 order of matrix. In this case, only A matrix can add with B matrix, but A cannot add with C matrix, because this is a 2 cross 2 order matrix, this is a 2 cross 2 order matrix, but this is equal to 3 cross 2 order of matrix, which rows are 3 and a column are 2, but in this case, these two matrix contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So only the same order of 2 or different matrices can be added or subtracted each other. In this case, only Aij of same position is added with another Bij of another matrix entry positions, such as A plus B is equal to only Aij add with Bij of the same entry positions. So A11 addition with B11, because Aij A11 is equal to Bij. If in this case Aij is equal to Bij, we cannot add with A11 with B22. Aij addition with Bij, when Aij is equal to Bij, we can add the given matrix to each other if the two matrices are same orders. But in this case, A is the 2 cross 2 order matrix, B is equal to 2 cross 2 order matrix. Similar condition also application in subtraction conditions. So when A addition with B, same A11, then this is equal to B11. So A11 plus B11, then A21, A12 plus B12, then A21 plus B21, then A22 plus B22. Then two matrices when added each other, Aij addition with Bij when Aij is equal to Bij. Any condition of any entry position cannot be added with any another condition of B. So just like this, A11 cannot add with B21. That is only position A11 add with B11 if Aij is equal to Bij. Subtraction also same matters. If A minus B, when subtraction of the two matrices can be possible if they are also in same orders, and A minus B is equal to Aij minus Bij, where Aij is equal to Bij. Just same condition for the addition case, subtraction case is also same. A minus B is equal to A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. Two matrices can be subtracted each other. Only the same order of matrices, two matrices can be added or subtracted each other. Example, suppose A is equal to 3 minus 2 1 4. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, and matrix B is equal to 5 7 minus 1 3. Also 2 cross 2 matrix. Another matrix is equal to C is equal to 3 2 1. This is a row matrix 1 cross 3. We cannot add with A and C, B and C, but we can add also A and B because two matrices are same order, 2 cross 2 order of matrices. So A plus B addition with, we know that when A plus B added each other, that is equal to Aij plus Bij if Aij is equal to Bij. So Aij, that means A11, then B11 addition. So that 3 plus 5, then A12 B12 plus minus 2 plus 7, then 1 minus 1, then 4 plus 3, that is equal to 8, 5, 0 and 7. So A plus B value is equal to 8, 5, 0 and 7. Another example of this, A minus B case. Suppose A is the matrix of 3, 7, 2, 5 of 2 cross 2 order of matrix. B is equal to 14, 7, 8, 6. If A minus B, dear students, two matrices are same order, 2 cross 2 order of matrices. We can subtract from A to B or B to A. If A to B, according to our definition, if the two matrices are same order, when A minus B is equal to Aij minus Bij, if Aij is equal to Bij. So this value is equal to A11 value. So A11 subtract B11 subtract from A11 because A minus B. So that is equal to 3 minus 14. This is the first entry positions. Then second, A12, then subtract B12. So 7 minus 7. Then A21, that is equal to 2 minus 8. B21. Then 5 minus 6. This is equal to A minus B. That is equal to 3 minus 14, dear students, is equal to minus 11. Then 7 minus 7, 0. Then 2 minus 8, that is equal to minus 6. And that will 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. This is your result. Then this is the subtraction of the two matrices. Addition and subtraction of the matrices when two matrices are the same orders, and when the two matrices are added each other, Aij addition with Bij, when Aij is equal to Bij. Only the same entry positions can be added each other. In similar condition, subtraction is applicable. When A subtract from B or B subtraction from A, that is equal to same entry positions are subtracted each other. Then Aij minus Bij, when Aij is equal to Bij. Then next class I will discuss about scalar multiplication of matrices. Goodbye.